Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. It is 6:44. It's July 26th. We'll start off over here on the West Coast. The northeast part of California and the western part of uh, Nevada, you guys do have a red flag warning up here, as well as going into southern Oregon around Lakeview and Klamath Falls, Silver Lake area. Down here in the southern part of California, anywhere from Estacotero all the way down to San Diego. Here you guys will be in a heat advisory. Of course, anywhere from Las Vegas to Yuma, Phoenix, parts of the Death Valley area, you guys will be in extreme heat warning. Utah's got a few spots around Salt Lake City, Grand Junction as a heat advisory, and the southern part around Halls Crossing area, guys will be in extreme heat warning. Getting here to the midsection, the eastern part of Montana, extreme heat warning, and anywhere from Fargo, Duluth, look at this, Omaha, Kearney, Nebraska, St. Louis, all the way down to around Memphis and Little Rock, all the way down to around Greenville. You guys be in extreme heat warning. Anything else in that orange area, guys, be heat advisories around Dallas and Denver for today. We do have a flood watch in New Mexico from Gallup all the way to Gila National Forest. Down here, you guys are under flood watch. And I believe that's what the big story is going to be, is this heat dome here in the midsection of the United States. We'll take a look at the temperatures here in a second. As far as that, we do have some thunderstorms around, looks like in South Dakota, around Mobridge, going down to Pierre area, and around Winter. And we do have some thunderstorms there in the North Carolina, Asheville, Hickory area. And I believe that we do have some rain showers from Birmingham all the way to Columbus in Georgia. So that's what we got going on so far. Just off the coast of North Carolina, you got some thunderstorms if you're waking up sitting on the porch. And we do have some thunderstorms, looks like in the northern part of Nevada around Paradise Valley. So let's go ahead and take a look, guys, and I wanted to show you this as far as the temperatures for today. And we'll start off this morning, not too shabby until you get to this afternoon, and I wanted to show you this. This is the actual temperatures. We're talking 103 in Fargo, Kansas City, 102, 99. Juarez area 102, Phoenix 109, but this is the heat index, guys. I know I wanted to show you this. Let me move this forward. Look at this, guys. 117 real feel in the St. Louis area. Phoenix 108, I believe, is their real feel temperature, maybe 111. But look at this, guys, here in the midsection. From Fargo all the way down to Houston, you're talking your real feels in the triple digits. And look at that, 114 to 117. I believe that will be the peak. 117 right there. So it's going to be a hot one today as far as the weather. And we'll take a look at that here in a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in Chester right now. So we got the broken clouds, the temperature's at 78, feels like 80 right now. The wind speed is at 2 miles per hour and the humidity is at 91%. And so for today, guys, I believe we're going to have a few clouds this morning, and then it's going to become mostly sunny and probably clear in the late evening hours. As far as your precipitation, now we are going to be in a marginal risk area. So these storms can pop up at any time. I looked at several different runs on HRRR. It looks like we may have something in the evening time after 3 o'clock, 4 or 5, somewhere around there. It could pop up, but that could change. So expect afternoon thunderstorms in the area. When they come, anybody's guess. But the biggest story is going to be the heat. So as far as that, guys, our temps here in Randolph County area are going to be around 99, 98, Sparta 96, but we get down here to Prairie du Rocher and St. Genevieve, it's 100, and Chester at 99. Our real feel, guys, are going to be in the triple digits here, 112 to 113. St. Genevieve close to 117. Prairie du Rocher 115. So this is going to be our biggest concern for today, and that's at 4 p.m. This afternoon on the latest run. As far as your lows, guys, you're going to wake up to about 73 to 74 in the Randolph County area. It will start to cool down probably about 7, 8, 9 o'clock. You're going to see a big drop down in the temperatures. But this afternoon, guys, if you're going to do anything, make sure you drink water, take frequent breaks if you're doing any yard work. But try to stay indoors as much as possible. This is going to be here for the next couple of days, this heat dome. So we want to make sure that you drink plenty of water. As far as that, guys, we are going to take a look at our SPC outlook for today. Now, we do have a marginal risk for severe weather around the Bozeman, Billings, all the way down to Gillette in Wyoming. And then we get over here to the Midwest where our heat is going to be. We have a slight risk going from O'Neill, Sioux Falls, Duluth, Marquette up here in Michigan to around Chicago, Davenport, Iowa area. That will be your slight risk. Anywhere from Kearney, Nebraska to Omaha to St. Louis, Nashville, Indianapolis, Detroit, you guys will be in that marginal risk. And right here on the East Coast, anywhere from Jackson, Florida, all the way up. Looks like going into Washington, Raleigh, North Carolina, Charleston, you guys will be in that marginal risk for severe weather today. But Randolph County, St. Louis, Cape Girardeau area, we are in that marginal risk. So when these storms pop up, is anybody's guess. I looked at several different models and different times in the afternoon. So I think most of it's going to be in the afternoon when it shows up. Unsure. I think it's going to be probably around after 3 o'clock, but don't be surprised if something does pop up earlier. As far as that, guys, your 2% tornado risk is going to be right around Walhalla in North Dakota, going through Duluth, Minneapolis, going all the way down here to Chicago, to Marquette, and northern Michigan to include Appleton. Your wind risk is going to be a big concern for today. We do have that 15% from O'Neill that looked like Broken Arrow right here, all the way up to looks like International Falls, Thief Rivers Falls area, all the way to Grand Rapids right here in Michigan. And it looks like getting close to Peoria here in Illinois. You guys will be in at 15%, but our biggest thing is the SIG-1 as far as your wind risk, going from International Falls, Grand Forks area, Walhalla, going all the way to Chicago, Milwaukee, Minneapolis, Sioux Falls, around near Kearney. You guys have 74 plus miles an hour as far as your winds. And your hail risk is going to be from Walhalla, looks like all the way near Kearney, Chicago, Detroit, St. Marie, Marquette area. All this will be in a hail risk with a 15% hail risk from Walhalla, International Falls, all the way down to Milwaukee, near Chicago, in this yellow area. Our SIG-1 is going to be around Duluth, International Falls, Walhalla, all the way to Appleton, Minneapolis, and Marquette here in Michigan, where you can have up to 2 inches as far as your hail diameter. But that is all I got for you today, and I will see you tomorrow morning. So the biggest thing, guys, is the heat for today in our area. And again, make sure you take frequent breaks and get inside to take a little bit of a rest. I was outside yesterday afternoon at least until 4, and it was just so humid I was sopping wet. So you don't want to get any type of heat exhaustion or heat stroke. So take frequent breaks. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow morning.